Hello, this is Market for Beginners, and in this video I will show you why. Hello and welcome to my video. Today I like to answer some questions that you might have when you are a beginner in the market. Because when you're a beginner in the market, there is a lot of nice things, new things that you're going to hear, and there is a lot of questions that are gonna come up in your mind, and sometimes you feel not too comfortable to ask to other people. So sometimes to know a lot of little things about the market will help you to profit a lot better from the market. So it's very important to know a lot of things about market. So do not be afraid to ask anybody any question, because in the future you're going to need a lot of things, a lot of knowledge with you to profit from the market and have a better profit and make a lot of more money from the market and feel more comfortable about it. Okay, so with this video I like to answer some of the questions that might help you to be better in the future. So we're going to start with a few questions that is going to help you out. So the first question will be,
what are stocks?
So stocks, they're really a part, you're going to be a part ownership of a company. So a stock, if you buy a stock of Apple or Amazon or Google, you're going to be one part owner of that company. So buying one stock, always remember, just not to buy one stock, is buying an ownership of that company. So you're going to be a part owner. If you buy one share of Apple or Amazon or any other companies that you will feel comfortable to buy, those companies you're going to be a part owner. But if you buy one share, you're going to be a very little owner of that company. So you're going to have just one small part of that company. So remember, it's not just buying a stock. You're going to be owner of the company. So choosing the right company for you to buy is really important. Next question will be,
where do you buy stocks?
see, there is a lot of places where you can buy stocks. Actually, you don't go really directly to the company that you really want to buy the stocks to. You have to go through a broker that will sell you a stock or a share of a company. Now, before was a place, like the stock market was really a place. Now there is no longer a place. The stock market is really in the clouds. It's really online. That's where you buy everything. So you go through a broker that could be Ameritrade, TD Ameritrade, could be Robinhood, could be Charles Schwab's, could be Interactive Brokers. There is a lot of website, there is a lot of companies that really sell you the share of the company. So online you will buy a stocks. Okay, so it's very easy how to buy a stock. But remember, choose the right stock with fundamental analysis. That is always important. So before you buy a stock, go online, go on YouTube, inform yourself, go find information about the company, what's their reporting, cash flow of the company or the income of the company, how much revenue they make the company, because you really want to buy a company that is good and is going to bring you money in the future. So another question that people ask is right here,
How do you make money with stocks?
really making money with stocks is there is many ways to make money with stocks. You can do day trading, you can do swing trading, or you can do long time investing. Okay, you buy and hold a stock from a company, and in the future this stock is going to value a lot more. Okay, now it's all about choosing the right company that in the future, in the next 5 years, is going to be a lot more worth it. So if you buy a stock of Apple today that is around $120, $140, and in 3 years from now you're going to buy this, you're going to sell that stock again for $200, so your profit will be a $50 profit. So you will make money by holding the stock, and the stock will go up. So At that point, you will profit, you will make money out of the stocks. Now, day trading is slightly more difficult, so you will have to learn a lot more before you do day trading. So I always suggest people to first doing investing, and a little bit at the time you can try to, you know, practice, especially with paper trading. A lot of company brokers, they have a paper trading platform. You will trade with fake money for at least 5 to 6 months, and then after that you can try, you're going to make money as a day trader or as a swing trader. So you need to be trained, okay? So before you're gonna start to make great money or good profit from good stocks. But really easy to make money is to really invest in great companies with great fundamental at the right time with technical analysis, okay? Because fundamental analysis will tell you what is really a good stock to buy, but really a lot of analysis, they're like technical analysis, will tell you what really to buy at what time, okay? Fundamental will tell you what's a good stock to buy. Really, technical analysis will tell you when to buy. So it's really important to watch those things, okay? And then after that, you're going to profit or you're going to make money out of a stock. But it's really simple. You buy low and you sell high at a higher prices in the future, and that's how you make money with stocks, okay? Now, right here, there's another question right here.
Where do I learn about stocks?
But really, you can learn in a lot of places online. I can tell you. If you go to YouTube or other places to learn, you can learn a lot from online. But try to stay away from news, because news will bring you away from the learning situation. So, if you hear a news, it's no good. It's like listen more to the learning process of the how to trade stocks. So go on YouTube, go on Investopedia. There is a lot of things that you can learn. Buy books, how to trade is very important. So those are something that you can learn online. But because online everything is kind of mixed, so you have to put everything in a sequence that you're going to learn. Now you can buy courses too that is going to teach you how to trade. But some courses, they're like $5,000. You don't really need to spend $5,000 to learn really the market. You can go on YouTube, you can go online and read and learn. It's not easy. Let me tell you, it's not easy. You really need to want that. You want to have learn that. Okay, it's not gonna come up like that. You need to learn the market. Okay, there is a lot of websites where you can learn, and YouTube really help you a lot. After that, there is another question.
How long does it take to learn the market?
Really, learning the market will take you a long time. So will take you between 15 months to 18 months to 2 years, more or less. And at that point, you will never finish to learn the market, because the market always change, always become different. But for you to have a general idea of the market, you will take you about 2 years. So market is not like a thing that you're gonna learn in one day, in 2 days, in a week or a month. You need to stick with the market for at least 2 years before your eyes is gonna start to open and really realize that the market, that's what it is. That's what it is. And at one point you're gonna realize that yes, you're going to lose a little bit, you're gonna make money. It's not all about always winning, okay? Because you have to take the losses and the winning. So the winning, yes, you're happy, but sometimes you have to lose, and you have to take that pressure of the stress of losing money the same way you take the wins, okay? Because even the loss is a part of learning, okay? So, but you have to make sure you lose less than you win, okay? You want to win a lot more and lose a little less. So that's the part of the business. In any business there is a little bit of loss, profit and loss in every business. So it's loss is a way to learn more. Okay, it's like, why did I make the mistake? You made a mistake because that's where you need to learn more about that system. You need to learn more why you did that, and that mistake really teach you what's next that you have to learn. Now in the market, you never finish to learn. There is always a new tool. There is always a new system. There is always a new market. Really evolve all the time in the future. So you really have to pay attention what's going on and what's the new tool, what's the new technical analysis, why this chart moves that way, why this chart doesn't move that way. So it's always really, it's like a dog that is chasing his tail, and you always have to learn and learn and learn. Okay, so this one is very important.
How much money do I need to start?
Really, you don't really need to start with a lot of money in the market, because nowadays, even on Robinhood, you can partially invest your money. Now, partially invest your money, you don't need to buy a share of the company that is Amazon, that is $3,500 per share. You can only invest $100, and you buy a part of that share. So partial investing right now is great investing, because you can invest $100 on a bigger company, or $10 or $1. Now that could be better on the investing, okay? But if you want to do a day trading, you need to have at least $25,000 to day trading, plus at least $5,000. So to do day trading, at least you need to have a $30,000, because you need to have $25,000 on your account, plus after that, really you need to have a little margin of money, a little bit of money to play with. Okay, but before that, just invest the money. Make sure you invest the money, because it's very important to make your money work for you. Okay, but now, before you really invest your money, put at least $1 somewhere. You need to research what are the good companies, what are the bad companies. What are the good companies? They always will bring you money during the next year, during the next 5 years. Okay, so it's very important to research. Research is the key in the market. Okay, so after that, there's another question.
Do I have to pick up special stocks?
Not really. You don't really have to pick up a special stock. You can invest in ETFs. ETFs, they are exchange traded fund. Those are our blocks. They're really baskets of stocks put together by companies that they include really big companies. So they include Amazon, Walmart, big companies. So they are included together. Now there is different sector of ETFs. ETFs is an exchange traded fund, so it's a group of that. Now, because you cannot run a intrinsic value on a stock, on a ETFs, there is a problem that you cannot do really a specific value of that, because there are a lot of stocks put together. Now, what you have to buy that, when you have to buy that, you will have to find with technical analysis, because you will have support lines or places where the ETFs is going to bounce, and at that point is a time to buy, when this ETF is gonna breathe in and go to a bouncing line that is a support line, and it's very important. You can buy there and you can keep going higher. Lots of ETFs, they always go up, like the SPY, that it kind of control and follow the S&P 500. Those are the 500 biggest companies in America. But now you always have to make sure what points you buy that stocks, or the ETFs. You want to make sure that you buy at the right time, because that's the key of buying ETFs. Okay, very important. Now at this point, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. I'll let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to answer a few questions for you. I'm just here to help you a little bit with the market. So please click the like button, support this channel just by clicking the like button. Subscribe to my channel anytime, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video.